TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up down 48, Nasdaq's up 31, S&Ps are up 4.5. Gold contracts trading up $2.80 at $1,224 an ounce. We have silver up 11 cents, $17 flat. Platinum's up $1 at $9.35 an ounce. You have copper down 4 pennies at $2.48 a pound. Light sweet crude got a big bid, up $1.62, $44.95 a barrel. 10-year note down 2 ticks, 126.19. 30-year bond up 29 ticks, 155.10. King dollar's up $1.30, trading at 100.255. The euro is at $1.07, and the yen is trading at 108.88. We go up and we take a look at the S&Ps. This is what you have, folks. So the SPY right now is trading at a price point of 217.09. The benchmark is 217.03. 217.03 is your downdraft from September 9th. It has failed up here 4 separate times. We'll see whether it can handle it today. My take is that it won't handle it. Dow Industrials. What do you have with the Dow? Dow's got a slight pullback out here. You're down 42 points. You're trading at 18,826. The Dow has to get back inside the 18,662 in order to get a failure. So that's still at higher price. We'll see how that shakes out. NASDAQ Composite. Composite out here is trading up $35 today. We are at 52.53. The composite, the highs of the composite are 53.42. Where it's having the tough time is a little bit lower than that, which is the 53.21. Hasn't been able to handle that area. We'll see whether it can deal with it today. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold is building cars, folks. We have we're up 450 right now. You've done 152,000 contracts. What gold has done is that they've gone down to the June 1st sign of strength, rejected it. That was at 12.14. We're 12.26 right now. Bottom line, I suspect, number one, you're going to make a run for 12.46. We'll see how it handles that number as it gets up to that level, as to whether is this going to be another ABC structure down, or is it building cause for higher price. Bottom line, right now, it wants to move higher. Notes and bonds. They've bottom to me. We'll see whether it's a short-term bottom or longer-term bottom. The notes right now are flat. You've done 1 million contracts right now. Both the notes and the bonds are coming into their support, which is for about 7 months. Okay, so it's going to be hard to break them down from this particular point. The 30-year right now is trading at 155.21. It's a full rejection of lower price. And what we actually didn't do, which is pretty amazing, is that we did not get to the lowest swing point. So this is pretty intense. The lowest swing point, and when you don't get to a swing point, folks, guess what? That's where markets talk, walk, and squawk. So the correction is huge, there's no doubt. We went from 177.11 in the 30-year down to 153.27. But guess what? The swing point's 151.12. Bottom line, if we get force coming out of here, guess what? That means that bonds, notes are still going to go to higher price, lower yield. Deviant, yeah, deviant right across the board, but that's right now, that's what it looks like. King dollar, good old king dollar. What do you have with king dollar? What you have with king dollar is this. At highs right now, you're at 100.245, and if we go take a look at this, the high that it's going after in the continuous contract is 100.600. That high that was generated out here on December 4th. So on the continuous contract right now, we're at 100.230. So bottom line, when you get this close to a high, folks, you're going to go tag it. So you can expect that 100.600 on the continuous contract is going to get tagged. We'll see whether it takes it out or not. My take is that it won't. The reason being is that the expansion in the dollar is dramatic. We just went from 95. When you have that type of an expansion and you're trying to take out highs or lows, you lose energy at that level. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.